Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we'll be discuss class 7th general knowledge part 19. So let's start this video. Quiz second. Question number first. Which is the largest river of Europe? Which is the largest river of Europe? Answer is Volga. Volga is the largest river of Europe. Question number second. What are maglev train? What are maglev train? Train race on reactions gradually electronic reaction. Means train moves through the electronic reaction like magnetic. So this is called the maglev train. Third, which Hollywood films was dubbed in Hindi for the first time? Which Hollywood film was dubbed in Hindi for the first time? Answer is Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park. Question number 4. What is the name of aircraft used by US President? What is the name of aircraft used by US President? Is called Air Force One. The name of aircraft used by US President Air Force One. Question number 5. Which is the only fish to have prehensile tail? Which is the only fish to have prehensile tail? Answer is seahorse. Seahorse. Question number 6. At which test venue did Sunil Gavaskar become the first player in the world to score 10,000 runs? At which test venue did Sunil Gavaskar become the first player in the world to score 10,000 runs? Answer Ahmedabad. Answer is Ahmedabad. Means address where Sunil Gavaskar become the first player in the world to score 10,000 runs. Ahmedabad. Question number 7. How many players are required to play hockey? How many players are required to play hockey? Answer is 11. Answer is 11. Question number 8. Which sports did Bisham Singh Bedi play? Which sports did Bisham Singh Bedi play? Answer is cricket. Bisham Singh Bedi play cricket. Question number 9. Where is Talkatora Indoor Stadium situated? Where is Talkatora Indoor Stadium situated? Answer is New Delhi. Talkatora Indoor Stadium situated New Delhi. Question number 10. What is a chore? A group of singers who sing in church. A group of singers who sing in church. Question number 11. Give one medicinal use of black pepper. Give one medicinal use of black pepper. Answer is used for insomnia. Used for insomnia. Question number 12. Who started the Chipko movement to protect the forest? Who started the Chipko movement to protect the forest? Answer is Chameli Prasad Bhatt. Who started Chipko movement to protect the forest? Chameli Prasad Bhatt. Question number 13. Who is the author of books The Time Machine and The Invisible Man? Who is the author of books The Time Machine and The Invisible Man? Answer is H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is the author of books The Time Machine and The Invisible Man. Question number 14. Who is Medha Patkar? Who is Medha Patkar? Answer founder of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Founder of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question number 15. महादेवी वर्मा wrote श्रृंखला की कड़ियाँ. True या false? This statement is true. Mahadevi Verma wrote श्रृंखला की कड़ियाँ. This statement is true. Next one, test your knowledge second. Question number first, true or false? Question number first, Pyasa film was directed by Raj Kapoor. Pyasa film was directed by Raj Kapoor. This statement is false. Question number second, Ram Gopal Verma is an actor. Ram Gopal Verma is an actor. This statement is false. Ram Gopal Verma is not an actor. Question number 3, the Royal Court Theatre is in London. The Royal Court Theatre is in London. This statement is true. The Royal Court Theatre is in London. This statement is true. Question number 4, Ravi Shastri was a basketball player. This statement is false because Ravi Shastri was a cricketer. So this statement is false. Question number 5, Sanjay Manjrekar was a cricketer. Sanjay Manjrekar was a cricketer. This statement is true. Question number 6, PETA promotes kind treatment of animal. Yes, this statement is true. PETA promotes the kinds of animal treatment. So this statement is true. Question number 7, figure skating is a winter sport. Yes, this statement is true. Figure skating is a winter sports. Question number 8, Tour de France is used for skating. Tour de France is used for skating. This statement is false. Fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, Pablo Picasso is a dash. Pablo Picasso is a painter. You fill here painter. Question number 2, Mona Lisa was printed by. Mona Lisa painting was printed by Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 3, Ghumar is dance which belongs to. Ghumar. Here G, not J. Ghumar. Ghumar is dance which belongs to Rajasthan. Question number 4, Bihu is dance form of Assam. Bihu is dance of Assam. You feel Assam. Question number 5, bark painting is popular in dash. Bark painting is popular in Australia. You feel Australia. Question number 6, Druma is a doll of Japan. Druma is the doll of Japan. You feel Japan. Question number 7, Germany awards are given for. Grammy awards are given for dash. Grammy award are given for music. You feel here music. Grammy award. Third question, MCQ, choice the right option. Question number 1, where is Silent Valley in India? Where is Silent Valley in India? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Bengaluru. Option C, Karnataka. Correct option A, Kerala. Silent Valley in Karnataka, Kerala. Second, natural source of energy is called. Option A, fossil fuels, liquid fuel, hydrogenerated fuel. Correct option A, fossil fuels. Natural source of energy is called fossil fuel. Question number 3, acid rain is caused by. Acid rain is caused by option A, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, phosphorus oxide. The correct option B, sulfur dioxide. Acid rain is caused by sulfur dioxide. Question number 4, deforestation causes. Option A, pollution. Option B, garbage. Option C, debris. The correct option, pollution. A, deforestation cause pollution. Question number 5, cactus with the thorns is called prickly cactus, hooked cactus या plain cactus. The correct option A, prickly cactus. Cactus with thorns is called prickly cactus. Question number 6, gas used in welding. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, here the butane. The correct option, butane. Gas used in welding, butane. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.